The nominees for the Best Consultation Ministry are Draft Guidelines for the Prevention and Regulation of Unsolicited and Unwarranted Business Communication 2024 by the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Unwanted marketing calls and spam messages have become a widespread concern for citizens across the country. The draft guidelines address this growing challenge, particularly calls and messages from unregistered numbers, by focusing on consumer rights, privacy, and safety. The draft was written in clear language with a structured layout and illustrations that supported public review of the proposed rules. The consultation window was extended from 31 to 46 days. To support wider awareness, the ministry released the draft through its website, a PIB press release, and social media channels. A public consultation designed to support informed and inclusive public engagement on consumer protection. Draft Guidelines Pradhan Mantri Jan Jatiya Unnat Gran Abhiyan Manthan Shivir September 2024 by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Ensuring coordinated and effective delivery of public services remains a central challenge in tribal areas. This consultation focused on strengthening development planning in tribal areas through a coordinated policy approach. The draft guidelines brought together multiple government schemes to improve outcomes across infrastructure, livelihoods, health, and education. They identified key service gaps and set out a structured plan to address them. A notable feature of the consultation was the quality and clarity of the draft. The document explained the rationale for the guidelines and used charts, tables, and visual aids to support public review of the proposals. The draft also outlined how the scheme would be implemented and monitored, with defined roles and timelines. The consultation remained open for 38 days, giving citizens time to study the framework and share their views. A public consultation designed to support informed engagement on development policy in tribal areas. Draft Notification for Western Ghats by the Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change. The draft notification set out a framework to regulate activities in ecologically sensitive areas of the Western Ghats. It outlined the environmental importance of the region and the need to address pressures such as habitat loss and landslides because of rapid deforestation and unplanned development. The consultation process was transparent and supported by expert inputs and background materials placed in the public domain. The draft was presented in a clear and structured format, using tables, annexures, and examples to support public review of the provisions. Open for 60 days and available in both English and Hindi, the consultation provided time and access for citizens to study the notification and submit their views. A public consultation designed to support informed public engagement on environmental regulation. Report on AI Governance Guidelines Development for Public Consultation by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The rapid growth of artificial intelligence has created new policy and governance challenges. The draft AI governance guidelines set out the case for India-specific frameworks to support the safe, accountable, and responsible use of AI systems. The consultation explained the rationale for the proposed guidelines and the role of public input in shaping them. National and global case studies were used to support accessibility for non-technical readers through explanatory framing. The consultation remained open for 53 days, allowing time for participants to review the draft and submit their views. A public consultation designed to support structured and informed public engagement on AI governance. The Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 by the Ministry of Minority Affairs. The proposed amendment to the Waqf Act of 1995 addressed governance and administrative gaps in the existing framework. The draft focused on improving transparency, supporting inclusivity in Waqf management, strengthening digital oversight, clarifying registration and inheritance process, and addressing encroachment of Waqf properties. A key feature of the consultation was the accessibility of the material. The ministry issued explainer documents using simple language, clear bullet points, and multiple languages to support public review of the bill. The draft was also circulated through platforms such as News on AIR and the Lok Sabha Secretariat website to support wider awareness. A public consultation designed to support informed review of reforms to Waqf governance.